Okay. So I just took one more trade for 17 points. I have to log out of the account now because of consistency rules. I don't want to breach the consistency rule on this. This is a take profit trader evaluation 25K. And I think, well, $750 would break anything over 750 would break the consistency rule. So I'm like at like 680 on the day or something like that with this account. So I'm just going to quickly go over a couple of trades. I know I already posted one recap video, but I wanted to follow up with just one more because I do have been using this as a way to quickly scalp as well as the kind of the 25 point or 20 point setup that I have been running it. As you can see, I've taken a few extra trades this morning. Some were, quickly against the grain, kind of like this one here. Let's see, let me turn that off. 25, 2, 3, 5. So this one here was basically a 20 by 20, but again, 2, 2, 6. So it's like a 10 point quick scalp. As you can see, it's definitely against the current, I mean, we're bullish. Obviously, we had bullish order flow. So I do use it in that regard as well. But it doesn't always work out. As you can see here, I thought we were going down to this other. I thought we were reversing at that point from previous Friday high, which I had marked out over here. So that's why I took this scalp here and took another shot at it here, but just exited out. So that was kind of a wash. And then this one here was the right here was in the last video I did, this was the break-even trade. So you can see it worked out really well, but this pullback kind of shook me out of the trade, and yeah, is what it is. Followed it up with a nice one here. This one went 20 points. I exited manually at 20 points. So at this point, I'm up at like 380, something like that. And then I took this one for 17 just now and got out, and I'm done for the day. So kind of a little chaotic, but you can see how it also interacts with the 21 EMA that I do like to use as well, where we got a pullback under if I'm bullish and I got to pull back under below the 21 EMA and then close back above. That's extremely bullish for me, and especially with all my trend signals going bullish. So yeah, I mean it's this kind of a bit of forward testing. I know I'm in an evaluation account, but nonetheless, it's good to get the reps in. I feel like I'm under stress when I'm running it, even in an evaluation account, because you got money on the line. You paid for the account, but I think it's the best way to really dig through the details. So I did a bit of back testing, like 2 weeks on the signals, just NQ between 10 a.m. or 9:50 and like 11 a.m. And I just left it at that. And it was a really high win rate, which, as you can see here, I think every signal won. If I would have taken every signal. So here's the first one. I'll do 20 by 20. I'll just say 20. Although I have been running 25 points. So 25 by 25. So that one worked, right? This one obviously worked. And then this one, not sure. It did work. Yep. So that's 75 points right there. Boom, boom, boom. That all were kind of exactly how they look in my back test. And it's just done in a forward test. The one thing I would say that a good confluence or confirmation is interaction with the 21 EMA. If it's closing below and then closing above, that's a really good sign and it's going to work out. But in this case, you can see it was really close. It just tapped it and tapped it again, but it did work. This one did not have any interaction with the 21 EMA, so but 2 out of 3 is a pretty good probability. Anyway, pretty interesting stuff. We'll see how it works out this week. I'm just going to continue to trade it, and hopefully it does well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate it. Take care.